Alright. Alright, so far we've made SMT at the lows on the higher time frame with NASDAQ coming higher. Let's start with YM actually. We do got somewhat of a relatively low look to here. But I know we did get some SMT finally here, and we already do have SMT um, from here. Oh, what the? Did have I been sneaky? Oh, we still have SMT here, and then we never took out the high. So this low, wow. Oh, yeah, we took out these lows. It's just weird, man. Really weird. Obviously, we're way below those, but we also took those out on these. Maybe it's more clear here. But either way, um, we still have that S&T here, and then we just made S&T here. And we made S&T there. Okay. We're just looking for the S&T to confirm. So I think I do like longs now. In just for S&T sake, um, never really got anything inside of this range to confirm ES and NASDAQ lows, but technically we got everything we need for Russell high low. Excuse me. All right, so I totally messed up that yesterday. Should have taken that short. That's exactly, literally what I was looking for. Was to sweep these highs and then get a short, and I didn't take it. But all right, I do think this would want to come lower. Um, so far, we're respecting um, this 4 hour straight value gap. So maybe that's the pivot there. We'll see. There's a daily gap there. Yeah, it just seems like we'd want to soup these lows now, relatively lows there. So yeah, maybe we're gonna dig pretty deep here, possibly. I don't think we don't necessarily need to, but like we don't need to dig super deep, but I mean that lines up right with that order block. So say this daily inefficiency kind of lines up with that too. Um, yeah, there's the daily inefficiency. We've got gap here. Anything else that lines up with that? Just this old order block here, maybe. But yeah, it doesn't matter too much. Yeah, it does look like we're rejecting that bit. Maybe we're already creating some clear short idea here. everyone taking out London? Yes, looks like so. So yeah, maybe we're gonna break these highs and get a classic short there. Yeah, that would seem pretty clean. NASDAQ relative equal high. Alright, let's look at it. But yeah, this looks it's looking weak here. On the hourly, these fair value gaps are much bigger, but maybe they're relevant though. Okay. So yeah, we got this, and then maybe it lines up with the Wixie or something weird like that. Okay. Yeah, we've already delivered, but it does seem like we could easily go lower. On the way up, we do have a gap here. So this is a bullish fair value gap. Yeah, it just seems like this would want to make one more leg lower, make like a really obvious S&T, but it is already obvious and it is already there, so. All right. So yeah, I can even I could even see it's coming all the way up here, but looks like we are kind of respecting the 1 hour so far. We'll see. There's a regular trading hours cap too. So it seems to be holding, almost like inverting that 4 hour actually. All right. So YM. Yeah, wire took out the low. It may not be done, but everything's technically there for longs. Okay. And so far we have not shifted above to make it look bullish yet. All right. And all the flows were bullish, except SPY. But the tide was pretty bullish though. Q's was really bullish. Russell was not that bullish actually. But they have been accumulating this earlier. So maybe yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking is this is gonna come down for one more low or something to really clean it out since ES and NASDAQ don't have it yet. The S&P yet. So I could see that. Daily. We filled in this daily. Showing that right there. So yeah, we're gonna keep going higher. There's inefficiency here. Nice little shift here. 4 hour and another 4 hour mild inefficiencies, and yeah, the really smooth highs all the way up to that. But we do have this 1 hour still. One hour, and then this daily. This might still be kind of in play. We'll see. This is like a high resistance liquidity high. Bouncing all the way just to take that. But yeah, those look pretty good down into this range. You know, it looks obviously bullish for the high. Um, yeah, obviously rebalanced all of that, so it's not important. And yeah, the only concern for this is just that we did come lower, but it wasn't like all we did is really make equal lows there too. Seems like we would want to really suit that a little bit deeper, you know, down into this, the CE of that or something. But technically, yeah, it did kind of soup all that out already. All right. So yeah, ES looks like it would want to take a high or grade S&T into news and then short maybe. We'll see. But I think we would want to see ES Nasdaq over the Dow for the short. I'd want to see ES take the lows to get confident in longs. So yeah, I still think shorts are in play at least on ES and Nasdaq. Russell might actually be a full-fledged long because of the Dow Jones. And that would line up if ES and Nasdaq came lower for the Dow Jones to also come lower, because then that would make that higher time frame S&T. Yeah, and we got relative lows, so that would make sense. All right. So yeah, just been expanding higher, much higher, much higher as it steps into this. And yeah, we got that 1 hour fair value gap here mixed with that inefficiency. So yeah, maybe this is still a level up here to reject. And then yeah, target the lows. That's what I would think. Um, daily, we have not tapped into this inefficiency at all. So we have to zoom in and see what's going on. Yeah, super clean level there for NASDAQ at least. Um, new day opening gap. Looks like there's a bullish 4 hour that never got respected at all. And I don't know if I care about this level anymore. We're forming a 4 hour fair value gap. And then we got a 1 hour really strong one here. And then one here that got respected. Just do that. And then smooth highs with relative equal highs. So this is pretty obvious that this would want to. This is definitely an area to look for a rejection. On a 1 hour, I mean, there's a wick there, so maybe like the C. But it does seem like this Yeah, that just lines up so clean. The CE of that lines up with the order block. So yeah, I'm gonna actually mark that. 1 hour. So yeah, that seems pretty clean. So yeah, it seems like NASDAQ wants to come take that for the short back down. That's what I think. 15 minutes. Yeah, just expanding. Could just come take this high, but this is just so obvious. So yeah, I think this heads higher into the news, and then we get a short. Did I check Russell already? Russell, fair value, gobble, long, tapping into the order block, daily inefficiencies being respected still. Yeah, interesting. No real inefficiencies besides the highs. There's a 4-hour shift here though, or fair value. So we'll note that. But I think if we're gonna come down here. Soup those lows if we're gonna go down. Pretty smooth relative highs here. Oops. And that lines up with the wick CE and these are, yeah. There's still some inefficiency left here. And there's an order block. This is an order block, so. Yeah, if Russell comes up here too, that would make sense because then that'd be a short in the Russell or the Dow. So yeah, gotta be careful though, short Russell, since we got S&T. Oh, there's another 4-hour here. All right. So yeah, I think we soup those highs, get a short back down to these lows for the long, hopefully. Let's see. Yeah, clean relative equal highs on IWM, smooth highs on QQQ, relative highs, equal highs on SPY, even go higher, really high resistance on Dow. Yeah, seems like everything's lining up. Dow Jones being really weak. That's what you want to see. So GDP in a few minutes. Let's open flows. Pretty mixed. NQES over YM short and RTY over YM short. Time frames. What's the highs? Which is relevant, and how do you expect price to move into your point of interest? Really blue highs, smooth highs, all have PDAs. All have very, yes, very obvious levels to short. Why I'm failing to go higher, it's juicy. There's obviously no, I don't even see any. Nothing yet. Okay. What is the draw liquidity? Up, then down, then up. Still